Memoakwaba eba woni Opoku nsua Twi dwumadie so. I welcome you to the program Learn Twi with Opoku. As time goes on, we'll be using more Twi than English, and that will help you to understand or to learn the Twi very fast. But for now, we'll be mixing. Yeah, the best we'll be mixing the Twi with English. So in that sense, you'll be able to learn the Twi very well. Okay, ene, that is today. Ene, what verbs are we looking at? Today we're considering what? J, that is to take. Ma, to give. Him, that is to wave. And then Woso, that is to shake. Good. Let's take the first verb. The first verb is what? J. J. If I take this pen and I say J, what do you think the meaning will be? J. Definitely it means to take or to receive. So J means what? To take or to receive or to collect. Good. So for example, we can say J abofrano. J abofrano. That means what? Receive or take the child. J abofrano. So when we say J, it simply means what? To receive or to collect. Good. Whenever there is a receiver, there is also what? A giver. To give in Twi, we say what? Ma. Ma. Ma, and that is what? To give. So example, if I want to say give him some, give him some, then I will say manu bi. Manu bi. Give him some. Ma, that is give. No, no, as I've explained in other videos, is a pronoun that which is what? Ono. Ono, which is he or she in an object position. In an object position, he or she, as we have in English, becomes what? Him or her. Yes, in Twi too, ono, in the subject position, we say ono. But in the object position, we say no. No. Just as he or she changes to what? Him or her. She also, or no, changes to what? No. Good. So, manu bi. Manu bi. Give him some. Manu bi. So, when we say ma, it means what? To give. To give. Good. That was our second verb. Our third verb is what? Him. Him. When we say him, it means what? To wave. To wave. Him. To wave. So we can say that the spectators waved their flags. In Twi, spectators are known as what? Behwe adefo. Behwe adefo. What does that mean? Behwe, that is came to watch. Behwe, came to watch. So behwe adefo. That means they came to watch something. So people who came to watch something, and that is what we call what? Behwe adefo. And that is what? Spectators. So if we say the spectators waved their flags, in Twi we will say behwe adefo no him won franca no. Behwe adefo no him won franca no. The spectators waved their flag. Behwe adefo no him won franca no. I'm saying him because it is in what? The past tense. Good. So behwe adefo no him won franca no. That is what? Him. Sometimes people confuse themselves with him to wave with what? To shake. In Twi, to shake is what? Woso. Woso. For instance, with certain medicines, the manufacturers will tell you, shake the bottle before use. Woso tuano ansana wanum edrono. Woso tuano ansana wanum edrono. That is what? Shake the bottle before you take the medicine. Woso tuano ansana wanum edrono. So when we say him, it means you are doing something of this sort. Him, or you are doing this with your flag. Him franca. But Woso, something of this sort. Oh, Woso. Vigorously. Woso. So when we say Woso, it means what? To shake. Woso. Good. So what have we learned in this lesson? We have learned J, to receive, ma, to give, him, to wave, Woso, to shake. This is all time will allow us, and like I always say, give this lesson a thumbs up or subscribe if you have not yet subscribed, and then also share and suggest it to friends and relatives. Thank you very much for watching.